Hello everyone. I hope you have practiced the things that we have already done in the previous lesson. But today also we're gonna practice from start. I'm sorry to practice so constantly, but I think like practice is the key to learn the language. So let's go. A, A, E, E, O, U, E, I, O, Ow, Hun, Read. K, H, G, Gh, Ang, Ch, Ch, J, H, Nya, T, H, D, Dh, ण, K, Th, D, Dh, N, P, H, W, H, M. I think we did so far. And also the Barakari. K, Ka, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Ke, Kai, Ku, Kau, Kan, Kha, Kri. Barakadi is new, so we'll like try to revise it once again. So K is already inherited. You don't have to do anything. This one, it should be easy to remember because it is associated with the vowel itself. You can see the line and the line is similar. So it should be easy to recognize. And this one also, if you make a line, then it's an R sounding. So the remaining one you have to learn is key, like a curve. Like you can say the hair is flipping to the left, the hair is flipping to the right. It's like key and key, key. Okay. And ku is like a dogs. Like one has a like a one has like a tail to the left and one has like a tail to the right. And K and Kai is very different to the vowels because it might be very much confusing to associate with vowels. So it's better to remember K and Kai differently. So K, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Kai, Ku, Kau, Kan, Kha, Kri. Okay. So today we'll learn the ahead consonant. There is only like three types left. So this one is called as semi-vowel. So vowels are like there is no obstructions of air flowing. So semi-vowel is like there is little obstruction, but there is the air flow as well. So semi-vowel, the first one is you make a swing and you make a line. So there is like similar to this, there is something like this, and there is something like this. So this is her aspirated, this is her aspirated. So you can see these are all similar. So if you draw like a minute like change, it will change the sound. It's like sound as well. So this is once again you make a swing and you make a vertical line. You make a swing and you make a vertical line. You make a swing and a vertical line. Make a swing and a vertical line. So this is nothing but yeah, yeah, yeah. So all the consonant has a sounding, you know it. So it's y plus a yeah. Next one, our favorite one, Sorry, I have like I guess like in the previous lesson uh I have made a exception of r without actually making you study about r. I'm sorry about that, but r is like that only. So this is r. Okay, r. So you just make a two and two on line on a horizontal line. That's it. Next one. So this has like a two off circles and a vertical line. One second, two off circles and a vertical line. Two off circles and a vertical line. Two off circles and a vertical line. So this is called L. 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 Next one, you might have seen something like this as well. So one vertical line and a circle on the vertical line. One vertical line and a circle on the vertical line. One vertical line and a circle on the vertical. So this is called verb. Okay, this is called verb. So you can actually remember this as like your love, like this, your love. Like in some accent, I don't know which Italian, your love. I don't know, but you can remember as this as a your love, your love. Okay? And the r is rolling actually. R, r, r. Trembling plus rolling. R. ठीक है य र ल व. Next one is sibilants. Sibilants is like just sound like similar, but they are not similar. So the first one is you make a r, you make an attaching a line, and you make a vertical line. Once again, make a r, an attaching line, and a vertical line. Make a r, an attaching line, and a vertical line. Make a r, attaching line, and a vertical line. So this is called so. So next one is uh, a circle and a row and then vertical line not attaching. Okay, it looks also similar, but there is a minute difference of drawings. Take care. This one is not looking cool. Take care. So this is called show. You can say show is palatal, like the back of the tongue is touching the back of the roof of the tongue. Show. So is like dental. So. So. And then this one we don't use it, but we have common some common words. So it looks like a purr, but with a slanting line. A purr with a slanting line. A purr with a slanting line. So this is a show, but rectiflex. Sure. So you have to curl it and put it back. Sure. So sure. So. Hmm. So ya ra la wa so. Hmm. There is no aspiration and aspiration in it. It's just simple. And then our last not official last, but last consonant is it it draws a little difficult. Make a C and make a C another side and make a big C. Okay, one more time. Make a C, make a C, make a big C. Take it. Let's go again. Make a C, and again a C. Here, let's make it again. Make a C, again a C. This is hard one, right? I'll make you practice one more time. Make a C, and a big C. Okay? This is called the the pronunciation is aspirant, right? You know, like whenever we say an aspiration, like consonant, we kind of say a h a little. So it's an individual consonant itself. H, h. So that's all. That's the y, r, l, v, s, sh, sh, h. That's all the consonants you have to know. So keep on revising. You have like almost got all the knowledge that you need so far, but there is more rules to it. But we're gonna do it together. So I hope you're practicing well. So hope to see you soon. Bye.